We'd spontaneously done it a few times. It's something that just kind of stuck with me. This would be an interesting way for us to be able to maybe break the monotony for some patients that are here, especially during the holiday time of the year. So back in June 2015, I was at my niece's wedding. Thought I was having problems with my back. And the issue just got worse and worse as the night went on. Beth said, I think we better go get things checked out. Got admitted, and within a week I ended up with quadruple bypass surgery. We had excellent nurses, excellent techs, the doctors, every single one of the doctors and physicians we visited with, excellent. It got to be close to Christmas time, and I said let's get a group together and we'll go to the hospital and go around 3 East and sing some Christmas carols. So we just go from room to room. Ask them if they'd enjoy hearing a Christmas carol or two. We've got two goals in mind. One is just to bring in some holiday cheer, for lack of better things. The other part of it is we want to be a witness to what God's done in our lives. That Christmas isn't just jingle bells and deck the halls, but it's joy to the world and first Noel. Every year there'll always be one that'll say, will you sing just one more? And we've come in with the idea of giving back, and I feel like we walk away with more than we've given each year.